If you're looking for comfort, walk away. But you're looking for greatness, for brotherhood, for God. You're not alone. It can be difficult to step out on a journey toward the priesthood. The good news is, you were never meant to step out alone. This journey has always been traveled as a group. And that's why we've established the Sons of St. Joseph, a brotherhood of men and young men open to the priesthood. We will go on epic adventures, form good Christian habits, grow in virtue, forge Christ-centered friendships, develop our relationship with God the Father, and discover who we truly are, beloved sons. So if you are a young man who loves God, loves the Catholic Church, and is open to the priesthood, do yourself a favor. Rise up, be bold, come and see. Join the Sons of St. Joseph.